Hello everybody and welcome back to another meeting video. Today we're going to be doing a speed build of a mansion in Bloxburg. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. It's going to take a really long time to make, I presume. I may even have to do some grinding for some money too, because I don't really know. I don't know if 18k is going to be enough for a massive mansion, multiple floors and such. But here we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Here we go. Maybe you're at about, yeah, there. Okay, there we go. Put some doors in there. It'll look nice. Let's just put that up there. That's better. I know it looks really good. This is a new media gang house. All the boys are moving in, and you know we're about to have some fun. You know, with diving board and all, a trampoline, and our 3-story massive triple-decker ultimate mega house. Absolutely insane out here. We got a real nice checkered patio. Yeah. I don't know who that is at my house. Anyways. Over here we got, you know, this nice little comfy TV, like couch to walk in, you know, we have some seats over here, and this table, just absolutely great. It's all just great, and I really hope you enjoyed this house. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Good.